To see the pronouns, pronouns are sarvanam. The sarvanams are therefore 6 types. There are six types. The noun, we already know that if there are 5 types of nouns, sanya is 5 types. In this video, sanya 5 types. From the sanyas, sarvanams are the 6 types. Sarvanam is 6 types. So what are the types and how it's connected to the Pad Parichay? How can we define the Pad Parichay? These are all things we're going to learn today. So first, what's the meaning of sarvanams? We know the sarvanam is the name of the nouns. Pronouns are the words used in the place of nouns to avoid the repetition of the nouns in sentence and to make a sentence more concise and effective. सर्वनाम शब्द जो संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयोग किया जाता है, the words which are used in the instead of the nouns, यानी संज्ञा के बाद जगह पे इस्तेमाल हुए शब्द को सर्वनाम करवाते हैं बस. That's a single syllables. There are the 6 main types. There are the 6 types. First one is that पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम्स. This पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम्स have their subcategories. It have their subcategories: first person, second person, and third persons. So first, I want to know that what is the personal nouns, personal pronouns. So sarvanam शब्द के speaker, listener, and other persons using being spoken about the others, spoken about. The third person, the speaker is a first person, listener is a second person, the spoken about is a third person. Okay, so the pronouns refer to the speaker, the listener, or someone. This is a पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम्स. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns is referred to the proper nouns. Instead of the proper nouns, we have to be the proper nouns. Proper noun. In the place of proper nouns, what are words we are using? That words are the personal pronouns. The proper nouns place. In the proper nouns place, what words we are using? That is the पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम्स, personal pronouns. For examples, Ram खेलता है. खेलता is. Okay, Ram play. Ram is plays. Ram plays. So this Ram, who is that in a proper noun? It's a proper noun. If we apply the Ram instead of the Ram, if you apply, then the Ram, who is the Ram? For example, I am Ram in my खेलता हूँ. मैं खेलता हूँ. Ram खेलता है पर मैं नहीं. हम खेलता हूँ. Ram is playing but not I am. Not I am. पर मैं नहीं. Then Ram is a proper noun that's not touching. But mine is it what type of Uttam Purush, first person. That means I am a speaker. The speaker. I am a speaker. So the speaker is first person. Okay. The second person. मैं देखा वहाँ राम खेलता है और मैं देखा वही खेलता है. मैं देखा वहाँ वह खेलता है. I saw that he plays. He played. I saw that he played. So I saw is that also be that, and the work also be a purush. Work also be a noun. No pronouns. So Madhya Purush, the second person, by whom I am saying that, that's a second person. If Ram खेलता है, then I am asking, तुम खेलते है? खेलते हो, क्या तुम खेलते हो? So here तुम is it? What did you play? What did you play? Do you play? Do you play? Then the tum is that second persons. If any other persons, see here, मैं देखा था, मैं देखा, वह खेलता है. So the bug is a third person. Okay, so not only third person, it also be a nichvachak pronouns. Another terms is that nichvachak pronouns. That means that demonstratives. They clarify the nouns. So it's a demonstrative nouns. So now we identify. You understand the first person, second person, and third persons. First person and second person and third person. These third persons are working also come in that demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Nichvachak pronouns. Nichvachak pronouns also come that the same words. Vakiyak. So how it is connected with the connect in the purchase. Then first we identify the type of pronouns. And then inner one. Purusvachak. Uttam Purusvachak Uttam pronouns. Uttam Purusvachak pronouns. Like that you have to mention that. Then the link, either the sling or pronouns, and then vachan, singular or plurals. Okay. Karak. The karaks are karta, karma, sambandhi, etc. क्रिया के साथ संबंधित यदि वही कर्ता या कर्म बेस it is a कर्ता और कर्म बेस. ओके, क्रिया के साथ संबंध कर्ता क्रिया के साथ संबंध है और कर्म क्रिया के साथ संबंध है. That's a short ways. Okay. So मैं कल दिल्ली जाऊंगा. मैं दिल्ली what do you say? दिल्ली is a noun संज्ञा. So my is it pronouns. What kind of pronoun? Purusvachak and he is a speaker, so Uttam Purusvachak Uttam Purusvachak Uttam Purusvachak. Okay. So where it is a pullings. Mine is a pullings. So how do you select mine is a pullings? That जाऊंगा. यदि बोलने वाला पुरुष लिंक बोलने वाले के लिंक पर रिपर होता है. बोलने वाले के लिंक पर रिपर होता है. Depend on that speakers. Genders. So unga is a noun plus, is it masculine. So mine is it Purusvachak. So it is a singular. Karta ka jaunga kriya ka karta. It is a action. It is an action of the kriyas. Jaunga is the action of the subject. So karta karak. Okay. Next nichvachak pronouns. Nichvachak pronouns is a demonstrative pronouns. See here, yak meri kitab meri is at a what that is? Purusvachak pronouns. Purusvachak string Uttam Purus. Okay, so before the Vyaktivachak pronouns, Purusvachak pronouns, the word is using that's a demonstrative pronouns. So you see, baki kya लगागा. मैंने देखा बाकी क्या लगा. मैंने ये सब व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा पुरुषवाचक संज्ञा उत्तम पुरुषवाचक संज्ञा सिंगुलर्स. देखा बाकी क्या लगा. बाकी इसे about the dead. अन्य पुरुष also be about the dead. पुरुषवाचक संज्ञा पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम अन्य पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम अन्य पुरुष. Because the verb after that verb is there. Here see, and that yak after the yak bakhe, ye be, or more. These all the demonstrative pronouns. which are can come along the pronouns, come along the पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम के साथ इस्तेमाल हुए the pronouns point at a specific person, place or things indicating whether it's near or far. This the pronouns points at a specific person, place or things, place or things. Okay. So this everything is connected with the vocabulary. This is a house. So this is at Anibus. This is at Anibus, third person. This is a third person. This is his house. This is his house. Uska garde, uska. So connected, come along the two nouns, two pronouns. He said, then that's Baki is a demonstrative pronouns. I hope you maybe understand. So this is a demonstrative pronouns. We can identify the demonstrative pronouns and Vyaktivachak and Prusvachik सर्वनाम अन्य Prusvachik सर्वनाम अन्य Prus. So now come to see how it's connected with the Pad Parichay. See here, you can Mary can be that Mary is at a what is it? Prusvachik. Prusvachik सर्वनाम. So in the सर्वनाम the pronoun before pronouns before the body yak means that is a demonstrative pronouns. Nikshevachik sarvanams. The Nikshevachik sarvanams come before the pronouns. Come before the pronouns. That's mind it. So yaki said what type of link? Stillings. What type of this? Stillings. Because the kalam is a stillings. Because the kalam is a stilling. Kalam is a names. So yak also be yak directly connected to the pens. So the yak also be stillings and the singulars. Karta karak hey kriya ka karta hey kriya ka karta yak is it kriyas. So kriya ka karta karak sambandh kriya hey kriya ka karta. निकट की वस्तु की वो संकेत. It's indicate the things which are near. Anityavachak indefinite nouns, indefinite pronouns. The word is which is declared, which is said refer, which refer that non-specific things indicating uncertainties. Anichita. So this is the Anityavachak sarvanams. Koi, kuche, tura, jara. These are the Anityavachak sarvanams. So how do you identify sarvanam ke prakar? Anityavachak sarvanams will link whether it is a stilling or pullings in a Pad Parichay. Pad Parichay. Okay. Bagar koi kara means bagar koi kara means someone standing outside. The koi is at Anityavachak sarvanams. It's at masculines because kada the verb kada is in a pulling. Kada is a pulling, so the koi is at pullings. Ekvachan singulars. Karta karak. Kada ve kriya ka kartas. It is a action of kriya ka karta. Kada is a karta. Koi is a karta. Kriya ka karta. Okay, next is sambandhvachak sarvanam. Sambandhvachak means relative pronouns. Conditions, relatives. This is condition the pronouns. It's that reflexive pronouns. We say that relative pronouns. That's a jo, where, is an who, what, who, how, these are. Who, how, these are that. Who, how, what, these are. ये सर्वनाम्स होते जो वाक्य में आए दूसरे सर्वनाम या संज्ञा से संबंध बताते हैं. The pronouns establish the relationship between the two part of the sentence, connecting the main class to the subordinate class. They usually appear in the pairs. So these relative pronouns are usually in the pairs. Jo, wo, tab, jab, jabu, जब तब जो वो ऐसा वैसा कैसे वैसी Jaisi, Vaisi, Jo, Ho, Work, like that. It's always in the pair. Okay. So by this ways we can easily identify what relative pronouns are and some other pronouns. So see here, Jo karega, so paregas, wo paregas, so paregas, who does it, it will appear in the consequences. Consequences will be here. So paregas, so paregas. Jo is it? Oh, sarvam. Sambandhvachak sarvams. How it's a sambandha क्योंकि that करेगा होगा. So whether you identify the nouns, the noun or pronouns, genders, then you check the verb. The verb ending with the letter, ending with the verb, ending with the e matras in the year verb. Then that is a striling, or else it is a only. Then the same vachan, ek vachan, karta kara, karaga kriyaka kartavi. Kriyaka sambandhi, so baraga, ubhaya vakyavi. It's not necessary. You stop to this what sambandh. Fifth one, personvachak sarvams, interrogative pronouns, question words, the kamu, kya, kise, this or that. Okay. So the given sentence, तुम क्या खा रहे हो? What are you eating? That क्या is that a सर्वनाम? क्या is a सर्वनाम? सर्वनाम. Why it is a सर्वनाम? It is a सर्वनाम. प्रसन्नवाचक सर्वनाम. It's the questions are the subjectives or adjectives. Adjectives. क्या तुम खा रहे हो? तुम क्या खा रहे हो? Is it the questions which gives the yes or no? Yes or no? Then that's a pronouns. That is a pronouns. If it is at apart from the yes or no, it says some other answer. Then it's not a pronouns. It's not a प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. It's not a questionवाचक सर्वनाम. The question which gives that yes or no. क्या तुम खा रहे हो? Yes. क्या तुम खा रहे हो? What are you? Are you eating? Are you eating? Yes. Are you eating? क्योंकि खा रहे हो क्रिया का कर्म सामान्यतः है पुल्लिंग है. सामान्य. So that क्या तुम खा रहे हो? क्या तुम खा रहे हो? Yes or no type the answer should be in the yes or no side. So the क्या come first the क्या नाम है तेरा? What is your names? क्या तुम खा रहे हो? क्या तुम खा? Okay. So any order the sentences, but the answer should be in that yes or no type. Then only it is at interrogative pronouns. Or else that is a questions. That's a questions. So this also already I seen the demonstrative pronouns I seen like that. This also the verb, the question also connect come with the verb pronouns. Connect with the one sarvanam. Sarvanam. पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम के साथ जो प्रश्न जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स यूज करता है कम with the proper nouns, proper sound, proper nouns for that's it. Interrogative pronouns. Okay. Next, nijvachak sarvanams, reflexive or empathic pronouns. Nijvachak means that reflexive. Reflexive means that self. Reflexive means that it's empathy. That means that it means the self. I did this work myself, himself, themselves. The self is at empathic pronouns or reflexives. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. The pronouns refer back to the subject, back to the sanya, back to the sarvam. Here, this pronouns is refer that again the same subject. Okay. So this also should have that once. मैं अपना काम करूंगा. I will do my work. I will do my work. मैं अपना काम करूंगा. I will do my work. So here see that अपना is that mutual sex nouns reflexives. क्योंकि काम fully नहीं, because the work is that fully. ये क्वेश्चन सिंगुलर संबंध कारक काम से संबंधित है. काम से संबंधित है. Is it? काम से संबंधित है. संबंध means that what? का के is a is a संबंध कारक. का is संबंध कारक. The work is a there here the work. Here this one the word my अपना is a अपना काम comes अपने so the nane ni no ni the nane ni अपना nane ni other re so keep in it हमारे तुम्हारे ने नाने नीस ने these are so the words na ne ni is that ka ke case reflection of the ka ke with the ka with the my plus ka is that mera. So these to be remembers. That's why this is a sambandh karak. That's why this is a sambandh karak. I hope you may understand, or else you comment it. I will explain once again that. So these are the types of pronouns, 6 types of pronouns. So next videos we'll see another one interesting topics. Thank you.